Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between green hills, there lived a young boy. He was known for being kind and energetic, but he had one big weakness: he often acted without thinking. One sunny morning, the boy saw a group of villagers gathered near the well. Curious, he ran to see what was happening. A merchant had come to sell rare birds from the forest, each in a beautiful golden cage. The birds chirped sweetly, and their bright feathers sparkled in the sun. Without thinking twice, the boy rushed home to call the money he had saved and bought one of the most expensive birds. He didn't ask how to care for it, nor did he think about where he would keep it. Excited, he brought the bird home and placed the cage in the corner of his room. But soon, the bird stopped singing. It refused to eat and fluttered around the cage, looking sad and scared. The boy grew worried. He tried feeding it different things, gave it water, and even played music, but nothing worked. After 3 days, the bird became very weak. The boy finally went back to the merchant, hoping to find a solution. The old merchant looked at him kindly and said, "Son, these birds are not meant to be caged. They are forest birds. They need trees, freedom, and open skies. You should have asked and thought before buying it." The boy felt ashamed. He returned home, opened the cage, and watched the bird fly away into the blue sky. That evening, he sat under a tree and thought about what had happened. He realized that if he had just taken a moment to think before acting, he could have saved the bird from pain and himself from guilt. From that day on, the boy became thoughtful. He no longer acted in haste. Whenever a situation came up, he would pause, reflect, and then make a decision. The villagers soon noticed the change in him and admired his wisdom. Moral: always think before you act. Hasty actions can lead to regret, but thoughtful decisions bring peace and wisdom.